Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Philips with PC. You have to start by press on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth. Now you should press and hold power button for at least 6 seconds until you can hear that paired. Yeah, we can hear pairing. Now we can see our headphones, so click on it and click done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!